I've just been cleaning it. I put water in there.
You used them to wipe him off?
I used them to wipe his hands and knees and feet off. No. No, you don't need that, mister. This.
I think I got bit by a mosquito.
That's the trick question. There's no number there.
That little micro movement in your eye is called nystagmus. It's often associated with color blindness. 4 years ago, you testified that you saw a man wearing a red shirt matching Robert Reynolds' description from the Harrison's guest house with blood.
Yep. See?
How did you know it was a red shirt? Is that color isn't even in your visual section?
Bit right there.
Yeah.
No.
He still wants to put it on top.
He's so stocky. What you doing?
Yeah, I see you.
Looks like I gotta change his diaper again.
Oh well, that's normal. Until you get him potty broke. Ow!
Careful, there's a wall there.
Where you going? Pooh? Hey! No, you can't mess with this. Here. Oh! No! You can't have that one. Come on. Come on, Dirty Toes. Come on, Dirty Toes. His Dirty Toes. I see you.
What do beets taste like?
There's another can of beets.
I'm not saying that I want some, I'm just asking what they taste like.
They're just a vegetable. I see you. I see you. Yes, I do. I see my pumpkin. Yes, I do. Oopsie. Hey, you got two little red pot. There, two little potato. There, two my little. Yeah. There, my little man. Well, stand up. Stand up. Look. You want to see mommy? Look. Look. There's your mommy. See, there's mommy. Oh, no. Don't put them in your hand. We got to clean his hands.
Oh my goodness.
We got to clean his hands, mommy. Got to clean his hands and his
Where's
feet.